your name and what are you doing here?
Charles, falling out of a plane.
Falling out of a perfectly good airplane, huh?
Yes, sir.
Why would you want to do that?
She conned me into it.
Yeah, that's her idea? So it's her fault if things go wrong.
Birthday present.
Hell yeah, there you go. Are you scared, nervous, excited?
Excited.
Yeah? Alright, let's go do it.
Alright, sounds good.
Alright, man.
What do you think? Awesome. You have fun?
Yeah.
You gonna do that again someday? Someday. Maybe I'll let you open the parachute next time. High five. Good job. Got a Colorado Springs.
Woo!